Welcome to Scale's Request for Quotation Publishing tutorial. Step 1. Options and targeting. Start by configuring the basics. Enter essential information such as bid title and reference number. Provide a brief narration of the request. Upload necessary attachments and select the preferred currency. Enable Allow partial response if needed and specify any items that require samples from suppliers. Next, define project specifications and scope of services. Select goods and services from the catalog items or create new ones directly. Set the estimated price or budget and specify the quantity of items to procure. Ensure clarity and specificity in your requests. Tailor your reach by choosing from 3 suppliers targeting options. 1. Opt for restricted tenders to preferentially invite specific groups such as youth, women, and persons with disability. 2. Opt for open tenders which are accessible to all suppliers. And 3. Opt for restricted tenders which are limited to your pre-qualified list of suppliers. Collaboratively, agree on delivery and payment terms. Options include requesting terms from suppliers, specifying terms as a buyer, or negotiating different terms with each supplier. Milestones can also be incorporated for payment alignment. Optionally, set an application fee based on your procurement policies. This step ensures that only serious suppliers participate, aligning with your procurement objectives. Upon configuring these parameters, click Proceed to advance to the next step. This detailed approach ensures that every facet of your procurement initiative is tailored to your specific requirements, promoting efficiency and precision in the overall procurement lifecycle.